Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show best budgies breeding formula, which is going to be the best one. For that you just require a pan with a spoon here, and I have got the feed. This is a millet feed. You can use as like bajra or wheat also, and I'm using a millet feed. And I'm going to show what to do at first. First, you need to switch on the gas and just place the vessel upon the gas, and when it is getting started on heating, this is approximately a half kg of millet food. In Kannada we call it navane, which is for the lovebirds, finches, budgies and cockatiels we use. As it is getting warmer, just put the feed in this, and this is just a half a kg of feed I'm using here. And now just with the spoon or a spatula, just make it warm. Don't try to burn it, so keep on stirring. Just it has to be become little warm. Make the gas on the simmer, and then make it warm. It should not get more heated also, so that it gives a fresh aroma when you fry it upon. And just check it on whether it is more warm or not. It's not yet, so keep on stirring. And meanwhile, I have got one tablet here, cod liver oil capsules, sea cod. One tablet is enough. And also, as usual, same another tablet is here. It's called as EVN 400, that is vitamin E capsules. And here you get vitamin D and A in the cod liver. So one tablets each. As we can stir it again. And now I'm opening up one tablet from this, and one is EVN 400. So just by using a scissor, just cut or give a pinch on the tablet, so the tablet breaks. And then there is a liquid which we must pour on the feed, and eventually give a very nice mix to that. So this is the thing what you got to do. So for a half kg, one tablet. Usually same the cod liver, same break it upon and put it into the feed. Squeeze it well so the mixture goes on, and start keeping up stirring it and getting it to give it a good mixture. And then switch off the flame. As you can see, it has got a good mixture. And now this feed fill in a jar with a airtight container, and feed this feed especially to your birds once in a week, so that you get a good breeding formula. Your birds which are not going on breeding, they will breed faster by this simple method, which is very useful. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribed to my channel, like my videos and share my videos among your friends and family. Thank you.